Hope you guys are doing good out there. For this episode, we'll be embroidering a special t-shirt. I am a coronavirus survivor. This particular t-shirt is for a special customer of mine. So we'll be utilizing my embroidery machine and my heat press for this particular project. So you guys just hold tight and enjoy this particular episode. So what I'm doing now is actually I'm over at my hooping station preparing the garment. So I laid down my stabilizer. So I'm just trimming. I don't want too many excess stabilizer that is not needed. So I'm trimming the bottom. Next I'll trim the sides. Hope you guys have been doing good out there, been staying safe. So the stitching today will be on a white t-shirt. For this project also I'm using my magnetic hoop. I'm using the larger of the hoop. So with the top portion of the magnetic hoop in place, the next step is to move over to the embroidery machine. You just want to take your time. For those that are new to embroidery, I'm sure you guys will learn a lot today. So if there's any type of value you guys get from this particular episode, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I'm removing the back portion of the flock that is not needed. Take your time. What I did off camera is spray temporary adhesive on the back or the portion of the flock that is facing down. This allows the flock to not shift while embroidering. We're getting closer to start a stitch. This customer will enjoy this shirt. The embroidery. I'm using purple thread along with purple flock. As you can imagine, that will be a nice and clean design. It will be a nice and clean look. So the stitching will take a while. So what I'll do, I'll play some music and have you guys just stay tuned, enjoy the music, and I'll be right back. Hope you guys are still there. All right. So what I'm doing at this stage, I'm just trimming any loose threads. What you want to do with the flock, you want to remove what is not needed, but just be careful. It's easy at this stage for you to also remove what's needed, and we wouldn't want to do that. So there'll be some small pieces. You'll need a tweezer to get at. Here we go. Again, be very careful. We're just removing what's not needed. Very shortly, we'll move over to the heat press. Once we are at the heat press, you want to preheat your heat press for 320 degrees. We'll be pressing medium to firm for about 10 seconds. At this stage, you want to leave the stabilizer on the shirt. So assuming your heat press is already preheated, you want to preheat your lower platen. In this case, I'm actually preheating the Teflon pillow. You want to press. I preheat about 3 times at the temperature that you'll actually press the shirt or the garment. Don't forget your Teflon paper. This helps protect the flock. Here we go. So at this stage, you want to remove the stabilizer backing. To remove the small pieces, again, you'll need your tweezer. Take your time. I'm just speeding it up for those that can't wait to see the final outcome of the shirt. So what I'll do at this stage, I'll actually use cover up. That allows the person wearing the shirt to actually not feel any embroidery threads on their chest or on their skin. I tend to preheat for a couple seconds. As you can notice, there's no need to measure. Just roll out and cut. For the cover up, you want to press at 250 degrees for 15 seconds. Again, I go with medium to firm press. You want to inspect it at this stage. If everything looks good, the next step is to sew on your hem tags, your hem tag. We're not only personalizing the shirt, guys, we're going for a perfect outcome. So grab your sewing machine. It took me a week, a year ago, to teach myself how to sew. Again, thanks to tutorials on YouTube. Everything is on YouTube. Hopefully you guys can learn from this video as well, for those who are interested in embroidering. And there's different ways, you know, of doing everything. I'm just showing you guys how I go about doing what I do. For those new to sewing, take your time. At this stage, because I'm not getting tons of orders, the few orders that I get every day, you know, at this stage, I could just take my time and sew on the hem tags. I could see myself outsourcing sewing on hem tags very soon. My company is growing, and I'm sure that there will be a time that I won't have any time, so to speak, to sew on hem tags. But for now, again, with a few others, I have no problem doing it myself. There we go. That concluded this episode. So you guys get to see a few photos of the final outcome. Perfect. Again, like I said, you know, there's so many ways to do things. I'm showing you guys how I go about doing mine. I would really appreciate if you guys can like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And please tell a friend to tell a friend. At this stage, every subscription count. So I'm hoping that you guys won't have any problem subscribing. Until the next episode, I'll see you guys again. Take care. Peace.